Late. I'm back today with another video. So a lot of you guys probably did not know that I am natural. So I've been trying lots of new things with my hair lately, and I'm really excited because today you guys are going to see me get my first crochet ever. What rock have I been under? I've been watching all of these videos and I'm like super obsessed with crochet styles now. So today I'm going to be getting a crochet. I'm going to be using the Jamaican Bounce Hair by Sensational. This hair is so pretty. And at my local beauty store, I paid $7.99 and I got 3 bundles. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the pack. So I'm really excited to get this installed. I couldn't do this myself, so I definitely have a special guest with me today.
Give me a high five. All right, cut and clear. Beautiful, guys, beautiful.
Special guest with me, this is Shauna.
Hi, guys.
You can follow her over on her Instagram. I'll put it on the screen somewhere right here, and it'll also be in the description box below. Also, if you're in our area, we are in the 757 area, hit her up on Instagram and go ahead and book. To start off this style, Shauna is just doing a quick braid down.
Girl, y'all want to see these knot balls back here? And knot balls on the side? Let me show y'all. Hold on 1 second. Here you go. See that plait? That's my plait. Don't judge it, okay? But when I flip it down like that, you don't see anything. It's gone. That's the magic trick when you're trying to take your braids out, okay? Start from the back, and then when you start from the back, you can wear your hair down, okay?
So you guys know that I live with a wig on, okay? So whenever I do my own braid downs or someone else is braiding my hair, I like to use this leave-in conditioner. That way my hair is nice and moisturized and protected. So I quickly realized that I love crochet styles because they are so easy. As you see, it's taking her no time to install the hair. So granted, I have sped this up a little bit, but the process really didn't take longer than maybe an hour and a half, and that's probably because we were talking so much. If you're looking for a great protective style, I definitely recommend getting some crochet braids. It's very similar to getting a weave, except crochet braids usually mimic more natural hairstyles, and also they're so much more cost effective because the hair is a lot cheaper and also the styles last longer. So this is the final look, and I am so in love with crochet styles. I will be getting more crochets in the future, so please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're in the Hampton Roads area, please hit Shauna up on Instagram so that you can get your hair slayed as well. Until next time, guys, bye.